Okay, the next DIY is I'm going to use one of the chair covers from the 4th of July section at Dollar Tree. I love using these for crafting. They're great, they're big. I thought this would be a perfect, like, large outdoor flag pillow for my bench in my entryway. So it's big enough to actually cover like a regular pillow, like a bed pillow. So that's what we're going to try it with. It does have a lot of wrinkles in it, though, from the way that it was folded up in packaging. So I'm just going to give it a quick iron. No high temperatures or anything. I didn't really know how well this material would hold up. But it's kind of like polyester feeling. I think it's going to hold up well for an outdoor pillow. I think I'm going to put it on my bench near my front door of my house. And I think this is going to be so festive and fun. This is just an old bed pillow that I have, just a standard size. Did have a pattern on it, and the chair cover is very thin. I thought you'd be able to see the pattern through, but I do have some of these pillow covers with the zippers that kind of protect your pillows. So I'm actually going to put one of those over it first. I guess it will actually protect the pillow too, and it will help prevent that pattern from coming through on my white stripes of my flag. So I'm just going to put my pillow right in there, and look how it is just the perfect size for this. No stuffing or anything, just a full size bed pillow right inside. And this is just one of those cheap, like $3 pillows, I think, from Target. And it's a little tight here at the bottom, but what we're going to do is just do a no-sew pillow just by using hot glue to attach that fourth wall, because all the other ones are already sewn. So almost all the work is done. And I don't know why I never thought of turning this into a pillow before, but I just looked at it and I was like, oh my goodness, it is calling to be a pillow for my entryway. And it's so large and nice. And it was really inexpensive to make. I'm just using an old pillow, a $1.25 chair cover, and I did have to use a pillow cover as well, but I already had that. So I'm just using hot glue, working one section at a time. It was a little tight. I was trying to hot glue the cover to itself and not to the pillow. So I just kind of smush the pillow up in there as much as I can and try to keep everything as flat as I can, straight across, making sure I glue up the entire seam. Now, if you want to get fancy, you could do like a burlap trim or something around the edges, but I really kind of like the simplicity of just the flag design on this one. And it was so easy to make. I actually can't believe it. And you can see it's taking up my entire workbench. It's nice and large. And I'm going to show it to you inside my house, but tomorrow I'm going to be moving this on the bench outside. It's so big. I think it's going to look so festive out there for the 4th of July, and so much like less expensive than if I were to try to buy something like this.